hold events at your office, for example, partner seminars? If yes, you probably have already installed photo frames, launched presentations on the screen, or projector. Product images can come and go in the background, accompanied by light music, creating the mood. That's nice. But what if you could make the screen interactive, allowing people to choose what they want to see, but at the same time only from available and necessary pictures, without surfing the internet? To solve such tasks, Multiboard features EasiShow app, one of the 5 pre-installed for free. Launch the app with your content. It is vivid and interactive. Your visitors will be able to slide through the images and watch videos, whilst you are the only one who knows how to exit the app. The home screen is customizable. After touching the screen, you will see a block of 6 templates. The timeline is useful for demonstrating company development milestones, and you can add videos and images here. There are also more dynamic templates for photos, which we can scale, rotate, and move over the screen, or choose collages and double lines of image, on which your visitors can make temporary notes and comments. Let me now tell you how to exit, so you know that and won't trouble me late at night. In the app, go back to the template, choosing Screen, and tap twice in the bottom right corner. Closed.